Welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss, February 2022. Hey, and just when everybody was saying crypto is dead and the federal government is going to shut it down, and I told you guys that, hey, it's too far gone now. There's nothing they can do about it. Look at this huge win for crypto. We've got this article out here, came out about a day ago. It says, in a huge precedent, the IRS says it will not tax unsold staked crypto. Let's dig into it. It says, in court filings expected to be made public on Thursday, the IRS declared it would refund $3,293 in income tax to a Nashville couple who had paid the amount on $8,876 worth of Tezos tokens they had obtained through staking. According to a May 2021 civil lawsuit filed by the couple, Joshua and Jessica Jarrett, any tokens gained through proof of stake should be considered new property created by the taxpayer and therefore not income which comes into the taxpayer. In order to be taxed, tokens gained through staking or any other newly created property must be first converted into readily accessible form of wealth. Thus, the lawsuit claims until the tokens are sold, no taxable event has occurred. The decision sets a large precedent amid broader policy debate on how to define the tax crypto assets. The 2021 version of the IRS Form 1040 prominently features a line item asking if filers at any time during the year received, sold, or exchanged or otherwise disposed of any financial interest in any virtual currency, indicating to many the IRS intends to make crypto a central point of focus moving forward. However, there still remains confusion as the IRS instructions issued as recently as December 21 defined a transaction involving virtual currency as one that included the receipt of a new virtual currency as a result of mining and staking activities going directly against the decision at hand. So, folks, what we're talking about here is, when you stake your coins and you get new coins as a result of staking them, it looks like the court has ruled that this is not a taxable event. And now that the president has issued an executive order to pile into this and dig into this, they're trying to figure it out, okay? And it just looks like it's going to be muddy, and the IRS is just basically going to have a mess on their hands because everybody's going to interpret this differently, and they're not going to be able to do anything about it. There's 300 million people in the United States. And for the 7% or so that might be looking at investing in crypto or who have invested in crypto, that's just too many people for the IRS to be sitting up here messing with every single day. They're going to go after the people that obviously are committing crimes. They're going to go after people who are obviously committing tax evasion. But for the people who believe that they are doing it correctly, like this couple, and have enough education to say, you know what? Hey, federal government, you folks don't know what you're talking about and can fight back with a great argument. They're not going to be able to do jack diddly squat. Nothing. Like I said before, there's nothing the federal government can do. Once they dig into this thing, they're going to understand the design of the blockchain infrastructure was designed in a way that they never intended for taxes to be levied on this asset. That's not what this is about. It's about stopping the creep with regards to inflation, on a currency. It's about stopping the government from having any kind of meddling in the value of the asset. And, they did a good job. The only way they could mess this thing up is to actually go after the DEXs. And guess what? Even that looks like it's under attack when I look at this. By the time this is over, there's just no telling where Bitcoin might be. I said Bitcoin's going to $100,000. I said that years ago. I said Bitcoin might hit $80,000 this year, right after this tax season and right after they stopped all their meddling and realized what I'm trying to put out on this channel. They're gonna have to back down. You can already see Bitcoin is rallying and it's back above 40,000. This is right after a week of all of these crypto evangelists saying, it's over, Bitcoin's dead, we're gonna be broke. You know what? No, you're not. Hold on to your crypto. Stay in the chair and make sure that you keep your hands steady on the controls. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.